I'm Emanuele Sanguinetti, owner of the Larderia Sanguinetti, along with my brother Andrea. Our business started about 10 years ago when I decided to acquire a property to turn it in a laboratory and a cellar to use it as a place for seasoning the lardo. In the meantime, I worked in a larderia where I learned all the secrets of the processing of this delicious cold cut. Our 300 square meter laboratory is located in Colonnata, a small village in the heart of the Apuan Alps, in the northmost part of Tuscany. Very well known as well for the extraction of the famous white marble with which they are produced, the so-called conche, marble tanks used for storing the lardo since ancient times. The production of the lardo di Colonnata is based on overlapping inside the conche layers of fat from the shoulder and the back of the pig, with sea salt, fresh rosemary, fresh garlic and mix of spices like black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, coriander, and let season all together for at least 6 months. Following the existing regulation, we don't use neither preservatives nor frozen meat. Our job has always been motivated by the desire to carry on an ancient tradition, firmly tied to our territory.